Your brain is an incredibly advanced survival machine that is currently running on prehistoric software. It is so obsessed with keeping you alive that it cannot even tell the difference between God and a leopard. Charles Darwin once said that the sheer amount of time and intellect that humans spend on religion is incalculable. If humans were any other animal, we'd be wiped out centuries ago. You don't see a gazelle pausing mid-lion attack to read the Bible. So while the other species are out there doing actual work, surviving, hunting, mating, while we are spending massive resources, time and brain power to make reels about an invisible being who never replies. Why do we do this? Richard Dawkins says, religion is not an evolutionary feature. It's an evolutionary bug, a glitch in our mental software. Let me explain that. Evolution didn't mean to make us religious. It just accidentally gave us the ultimate paranoid firewall. Let's look at our ancestors from 50,000 years ago. The current day optimist. If an optimist were to see a rustling, he would say it's probably just the wind. He immediately became the leopard's lunch. Whereas the paranoid maniac, he would say it's a leopard or a demon or a sentient murder bush. Run. He survives, reproduces, and becomes your great grandfather. Evolution didn't reward the rational guy. It rewarded the guy who hallucinated invisible monsters. Science calls this HADD, hyperactive agent detection device. Your brain is literally wired to assume that everything has a secret invisible motive. Why? Because your brain would rather see 1,000 fake ghosts than miss one real leopard. That's how you survived. The evolutionary motto isn't seek the truth. It's better safe than eaten. So what happens now that we live in modern apartments instead of the jungle? That prehistoric glitch is still running in the background, desperately looking for invisible leopards. Because of this, your brain sees intention everywhere, even when there is absolutely none. You yell at your freezing PC like it's doing this just to spite you. You curse the rain for ruining your game, like the clouds read your diary. You hit 3 red lights in a row and think the universe is testing me. No, Lily, the universe is not testing you. The traffic light is on a timer, your PC needs an update, and you're just a hairless ape with a hyperactive glitch, still screaming at the rustling bushes.